Here is how you can allow Google Drive to access photos on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time here, most definitely become part of the community so you never miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. So the first step would be to obviously have the Google Drive app installed on your device, but then you open up the main settings app and at the bottom find the apps section. From the alphabetical order of apps, just go to the Google Drive, right? So it should be part of the G section, right? So you should be able to find it right there. And once you click on it, you should see all of the settings which are part of that app, and you should be able to find the photos access. So there should be the button to click on it and allow the full access, or either the limited access as well would work. So that's how you can find it. In a lot of cases, you may not see the option in the settings, and in that case, well, the app hasn't even asked you to access the photo. So if you don't see the photos access in the settings of Google Drive, make sure you get inside of the actual app and try to upload something from your phone, right? So you would click on the plus button and you would just click on upload a file, choose something from the gallery, and then the app is going to ask you if you want to allow photos access or not. So, if you don't see it right away in the settings, then you have to just go through it this way. So you will initiate the feature and then you decide if you want to allow it or not. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and more similar videos, and I'll catch you later.